This screencast will cover the basics of creating dashboards in Easy Insight. Dashboards enable you to combine multiple reports into a single view for your end users. We'll start by clicking on the Create button and doing Create Dashboard. First, we'll click on Choose Contents. This gives us several different options to choose from for building our dashboard. We'll start by selecting a grid. A grid allows us to combine multiple components in a single layout. We'll start by creating a 2-row and 1-column grid. In the top half of our grid, we'll do Choose Contents, Report, and select the report that we want to add to that section of the grid. In this case, Sales Trends. Next, we'll click on the Choose Contents below. We want to add 2 reports to this next row of the grid. To do this, we'll nest another grid inside of this row. We'll change it to 1 row and 2 columns, click Create. We'll click on Choose Contents on the left-hand side, click on Report, and choose Area Chart. We'll then click on Choose Contents on the right, click on Report, and choose Sales by Product. Next, we'll surround this entire grid with a set of pages so that we can go back and forth across additional views within the same dashboard. We'll click on Stack Options and do Add Page. On the new page, we'll add a report of Deal Table. Next, we'll need to rename what is currently shown as Page 1. To do this, we'll click on Edit, Rename, and in the text input, change it from Page 1 to Overview. At this point, we'll want to save the dashboard. We give it a name. From here, we can click on Navigate and do End User to view the report in the view that will be used by the end users. Here we see our key performance indicators, our charts, and we can toggle over into the deal table. Next, we can click on Edit the Dashboard in the upper right and add filters to the dashboard itself. Click on Create Filter in the upper left and choose a few fields to add to your dashboard. In this case, we'll add Industry from the Customer folder and Sales Rep from the Sales folder. We'll save the dashboard to preserve our changes. Click on Navigate and End User again. And we see that those filters are now available and automatically applied across all of the reports in the dashboard. So if we remove Mark from the Sales Rep filter, we see that his sales are no longer present on the area chart. The key performance indicator values have changed, and the deal table itself has changed to only show the selected sales reps.